In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money online here in Nigeria, starting with no capital. And no, you don't need a laptop. All you need is just your phone. You don't even need money. All you need is just your phone and these 5 ideas I'm about to share with you. Hi, I'm Anointed and I'm making money online since from my secondary school days. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money online starting with no capital. I did it myself and I've seen it work in a lot of people's life, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it today. So let's dive in. The first method I want to share with you today is freelancing on Upwork with just your phone. You can learn skills like video editing, graphic designing, voiceover, acting, and so many others, copywriting, and offer them online. Offer them on Fiverr. Some of you guys already have these skills like video editing. For example, me myself, I learned video editing. I started editing with CapCut, the free software, on my phone, and one of my clients gave me a job to create a video for him. And just with my phone, I'm actually using my phone to record this video now that I've shown you, but just with my phone and the CapCut app, I was able to edit it to put pro animations and pro effects. All I needed to do was watch YouTube tutorials, learn a thing or two here and there, how to cut, how to trim, how to put animations and basic things. I created a video for him, sent the video, and he paid me. I think he paid me $15 or so that time. But you get what I'm saying? So it's very, very possible for you to make money online with no capital. Most of you guys, you already have data on your phone. You have your phone already. Instead of going to post WhatsApp status, instead of viewing WhatsApp status from morning to night, why not use that data? Go and learn a skill on YouTube. Use free tutorials here on YouTube. Learn a skill. After learning the skill, go and create an Upwork account. After creating an Upwork account, apply for jobs. Get those jobs. Offer your services for free. Yeah, you can offer it for free at the start to just show your value upfront. That's what I do. That's one of the easiest ways to get a client first. Offer your value for free. Then you tell the client how much he needs to pay for him to continue with your service or with your products. So I believe you understand that point. Learn a skill and offer it on Upwork. For me in particular, learning a skill has been key in transforming my life. I don't depend on my parents anymore to pay my school fees. In fact, I don't stay in the school hostel anymore. I was able to rent an apartment outside. I don't depend on them for data and all this little stuff. See, trust me, just take action on this first thing. Go now, search on YouTube, digital skills to learn. Things like copywriting, things like video editing, things like graphic designing, affiliate marketing. Learn these skills and start applying them. I will encourage you to go on Upwork and apply for jobs. There are a lot of jobs there. It will transform your life. It will help you. So the question today is, have you started freelancing? And if you have started freelancing, what skill would you love to offer? Let me know in the comment section. Number 2 method is selling digital skills on WhatsApp or Telegram. I have a lot of friends that they create flyers for their business and they'll post it on their WhatsApp status. For example, there's one of my friends, he does copywriting. He created a beautiful flyer, posted it on his status, and he also encourages his friends to share it. And I'm telling you, he gets clients every single month. If you already have a skill, if you already have something you've learned, I want you to start monetizing it on your WhatsApp status or in Telegram groups. Now, for me in particular, I'm a video editor. There was a time I posted a before and after video on my WhatsApp status, and one of my friends messaged me. He was like, okay, Anointed, there's one of my clients that needs a video editor for his YouTube channel. Can you help him out? I was like, yes, of course I can help him out. But how would he have known if I had not posted that video on my status? So I encourage you, don't be quiet about your business. It's foolishness to be shameful for what is gainful. I want you to be proud of your hustle. I want you to be proud of your hustle. Post it on your status. You'll be shocked. It will open doors of opportunities for you. So question for you, what is the last thing you posted on your WhatsApp status? And can it help you make money? I hope the answer is yes. Let me know in the comments. Now, the third way for you to make money online without having any startup capital is by doing affiliate marketing. Platforms like Lernoflix or Expertnia, they offer products that you can start promoting for free and you can earn a commission on that product. For example, now there are some courses online that sell for 30,000 naira and they give 50% commission. Imagine you're able to sell just 2 of that course. In a whole month, you'll be able to make 15,000 naira from those 2 sales, and you see that's already 30,000 naira. In fact, I tried this during COVID-19 in 2020. I tried selling online courses. I think I got 1 sale. In fact, the one I was doing was this recurring commissions sale, where if you sell a product, the person has to pay the next month and the next month and the next month. In fact, I have a friend, he created a forex trading course and he sells it and he makes money from it. This is now his course. There are 2 ways to do it. Either you sell someone else's course or you sell your course. If you sell your course, you make more profit, of course. If you sell someone else's course, you can still make profits because you did not put in the initial work and you did not even stress out. So what am I saying? Whichever way you want to go with it, whether creating your course or selling somebody's course, get digital products and start promoting. Promote them on your WhatsApp status, promote them on your Instagram accounts, on your Facebook page, promote them everywhere. You could get even one sale. Promote them on Twitter. You don't know, someone might just click your link and buy. I will encourage you. There's a pro tip here. Make sure you promote products that solves problems. If the problem is making money online, create a product that can help people make money online. If the problem is with their skin, go and get a product that will show them how to get smooth skin. Those things will help them buy more. In fact, there are 4 niches that you can promote products and sell well. The first one is health, the second one is wealth, the third one is relationship, and the fourth one is travel. These 4 niches, they can help you make a lot of money. The question now is, are you going to start selling digital products? And when are you going to start? Please start today. Now, the fourth way for you to make money online is by creating content on social media. What do you like talking about? Is there something you are passionate about that you like to share? I want you to start creating content about that thing. You don't need a fancy camera. You just need your phone. That's all you need. I'm telling you the truth. All you need is something valuable to share and consistency in sharing it. And I tell you, you get followers and subscribers in no time. Currently, that's exactly what I'm doing in this channel. Start posting online. Start talking about what you are passionate about. Like me, I'm passionate about freelancing, content creation, making money online, all of this. I talk about them. I'm passionate about books, as you can see. And on this channel, I will share my findings in some of these books. Just post. One video on social media can change your life forever. There was a short video I posted. It's got 500,000 views. From that video, I was able to get around 3.something-k subscribers, and I meet that subscribers ratio. So you understand what I'm saying? Posting content is very powerful. In fact, for one of my clients on Instagram, I'll put the video on the screen right now. I posted a video for him and it's got 50 million views. That video got 50 million views. Do you understand the power of social media? Do you know what 50 million views can do for you? Do you know what it can do for your business? Do you know what it can do for anybody? It's insane. In fact, in Lagos State alone, I'm sure we don't have up to 50 million views in Lagos State. That's like 4 states combined, or 5 states: Lagos, Kano, Abuja, to get 50 million views. So I encourage you, start posting content online about what you are passionate about. Start talking about it. On my Instagram, I usually post before and after footages of my video edits, and I got big influencers messaging me to create content for them. I'm speaking of people abroad though, I'm not talking of Nigerians now. People abroad messaging me to create content for them. If you search my name on LinkedIn, Anointed Cletus, you see my LinkedIn account. I posted 1 or 2 videos there, and I got people from Ireland messaging me to create videos for them. These ones were actually Nigerians living in Ireland. They were offering to pay me 150k per month to be their video editor for their company. So I'm telling you the fact, you can make money starting with no capital. Start posting what you are passionate about. Start creating content around what you are passionate about and start posting it on social media. Start now. They say be impatient with actions, but patient with results. Be patient, the results will come, but I want you to start now. Now, my question for you is this: what are you passionate about? What do you like talking about? Or is there something your friends always come to you for you to teach them? Do you know how to draw? Do you know how to paint? What do you know how to do best? What do people seek your advice for? I want you to start creating content around that. If possible, I want you to create a 1-minute video around your passion and post the link in the comment section. I will view your video and I will be your first subscriber. If you don't have a subscriber, post the link in the comment section. After posting the video, I will subscribe to your channel. Now, the fifth and final way is teaching a skill. If you have a skill that you know very, very well, like cooking, like barbing, like maths, there are some teachers that know how to teach maths very well. Like for me, I had a teacher in secondary school. He was very brilliant and he knew how to teach so well. In fact, I gave him this idea, I think last year, to create a class where he'll be teaching students and making money from it. I mean, creating a class apart from his normal school session. So from Monday to Friday, they meet in school. Then on Sunday at home, where he'll charge extra fee by teaching them mathematics. So do you understand what I'm saying? There are some ladies that know how to tie hair tie very well. There are some that know how to sew very well. Instead of just sewing, why not create a platform where you can teach other people how to sew and make even more money from it? There's some people that know how to make shoes. Teach other people how to make shoes. There are a lot of people that want to learn. You know how to create content online. Teach other people how to create content online, and you make money by doing that. So people always ask me that they want to learn how to do freelancing, they want to learn how to do video editing, and all of that, content creation. So what I did was that I also created a coaching program where I'll teach you one-on-one on how to do any of these skills, whether freelancing, whether video editing, whether content creation, because I do all 3 of them and I do them very well. If you're interested in it, the link is in the description. But what am I saying? This is exactly what I'm encouraging you to start doing. Start making money by teaching others your skill. I'm sure if you're in Nigeria, you know how to do at least one thing, whether it's sewing, whether it's teaching, whether it's daycare, you have a daycare where you take care of babies, anything at all. If there's something you can do, whether it's cooking, there are a lot of women that don't know how to cook. Pardon me for saying that. But they'll be willing to come and enroll in your catering school and learn. This is an easy way to make money without any startup capital. So my question for you is this: is there something you know very well that others struggle with? Is there a skill you know how to do very well that people are always running to come and meet you? Teach me how to do this thing. I want to learn this thing. Can you show me how to do this? My brother and my sister, please package it and start teaching people how to do it and earn money by teaching them. It's very, very powerful. Alright, so if one of these ideas stood out to you, drop it in the comments. And I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel because I drop valuable videos for you every single week on how to make money as a student, as a young man, how to achieve financial freedom. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.